Okay, I'm not really sure how to explain this, but the back side, if I'm right, I got this in right now. I flipped it around a while ago because it would not tighten up. I've just got them started. I have the bolts are just started. Okay, this side is flat with the across and even with the base of the mount. Okay, this is the front side, and if you can't really tell, but this side here comes this way. It's stepped up a little bit. I don't know if you call it stepped up or stepped down, but the other side's flat, even with the base, and this side is slightly raised, I believe, compared to the back side. And so double check that and just make sure you know how it goes in, because I spent several hours getting all this stuff started, and it wouldn't tighten up properly. And that's because it wasn't lined up right, and it was not in the right position. So that's something to check out. Don't make my mistake. My Jeep out. This is my Jeep with a quick update on these transmission mounts. This is the old one, and what I'm trying to show you that those bolt holes are not straight across. One set, I think that's the front set. I'll have to double check because I just don't remember. I don't have enough knowledge on this stuff. One stepped up and one stepped down. They're just not straight across. You got to make sure you get that in there right, or the transmission mount will not bolt up correctly. I should have showed this on the. I wish I would have pulled that out before I remounted it and took a picture of the new one. But they both are. The new one's like this also. I found using my ratchet wrenches is the easiest way. I'll get them in there, then later on, I'm not going to torque them right now until I get my bushing bolt in and get it in place. I'll have to play with the transmission some. I'll have to drop it down and line it up. You see right in there. It's going to have to come down. I got some pressure on the transmission right now, and I'll drop it down a little bit until I get that bolt lined up. Okay, and to make my point that I had this backwards, you see this across here? You see it's pretty much flush now with the bottom of the transmission. Same way back here and on the other side. Yesterday, no matter how much I tightened it up, I'm glad I stopped when I did, because I could have stripped out or broken a bolt off with my impact. There was a gap in these, and that's because I had this mount turned around the wrong way. So just double check that and make sure you get it right. My Jeep out. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the final touches. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna try, but that's what I'm impact on this side, on the bolt head side, and an 18mm ratchet on the nut side. Anyway, let me see what I can do here. That's all I have to do is hold this, and maybe I like to get a little shot of this. Okay, let's see what happens. Oop. Came off. We'll try it again. Oh, slipping. Okay, I got it tightened down with the impact and an 18 millimeter, with an 18 millimeter socket and an 18 millimeter wrench on the nut side. And it's tightened down but not torqued, but I just want to let you know I do have it installed. And we got a hurricane coming. I forget the name of it, or another one coming here tonight, so we got yard cleanup. We got to get everything inside. I got to get the tires back on this Jeep and move it forward. So let me see if you can see it. I got a generator back there. I got to get out and get it in position just in case we lose. Last hurricane we never lost power. Didn't even have any bumps that I recall. All the neighborhoods around us though lost power, so I want to have it in position, ready to hook up in case we do. My Jeep update for now, and I'll get back with you with any other additional progress today. My Jeep out.